Hey guys, so today we're going to be trying some new products from the drugstore. I have something from Physicians Formula, L'Oreal, Catrice, and Covergirl. So if you guys are curious to see what I am trying that is new at the drugstore and what I think, then just keep watching. Okay, so before I jump in, the shirt is from TJmaxx, $12.99. I think it was such a fun, bright, like highlighter shade. I love the knit on it. It's so comfortable and it's warm, and I didn't have any like warm knitted sweaters, so I'm loving this so far. The hair still has a little bit of a pink tint from when I tried out the Kristen S hair product. So that is that. So let's jump right in with the first product. The first product is the Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. I am using the Time Restoring purple one. Physicians Formula did recently launch 3 of them. I do have all 3. There's a blue one, which is hydrating, the orange one, which is brightening, and the purple one, which is time restoring, which I feel like is the one that I would benefit from the most. I don't have super dry skin, and I don't have like dull skin. So anyway, these were created to address skin concerns. They deliver a daily dose of beneficial vitamins to prep the skin and leave it glowing and nourished. These retail for $12.95, and I think they're popping up now because I've seen them on displays at like CVS and Walgreens. So we're gonna start off with this. Okay, well, it doesn't really tell you what to do on it. It's just a really pretty glass bottle, and I'm assuming, I think the bottle is a purple gradient. I'm gonna assume that the liquid is clear with these little beads in it. So we'll see how this works. Ooh, it's more like of a jelly. Can you guys see it moving in here? All right, as expected, it is a clear gel with like little pink and purple beads in it. Can you see that? It doesn't really have a detectable scent to it. It feels like a gel on my hand, so I don't know, we'll see. I will give that a minute to kind of soak into the skin. So in the meantime, I'm gonna drink a little bit of my peach tea. I'm obsessed with Snapple peach tea. It's delicious. Okay, so the Skin Booster Vitamin Shot has soaked into my skin. It doesn't feel sticky at all. It does look pretty dewy and healthy looking, so we'll see how things wear on top of it. So that was product number 1. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little Neutrogena Healthy Skin and Maybelline Fit Me Powder off camera. These are not new, and I'll be back to show you the other products. And I apologize in advance if you can hear the rain pounding the window above. I'm using the microphone, so hopefully that will cut down a little bit of the rain sound, but if you hear it, there's nothing really I can do about it. Okay, so the face makeup is done. I ended up applying a little bit of the LA Girl Luminous Glow Powder, which I'm obsessed with, to my cheeks, and the Joah Brow Gel to my brows. Now we have some lip and eye products left. We have this Catrice Professional Artist Eyeshadow Palette, which looks really similar to like a MAC palette in my opinion. We have the Covergirl and Katy Perry mascara, which I've heard good things about this mascara, and the L'Oreal Infallible Pro, excuse me, and the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Glosses, which seems like an oxymoron to me. How can it be a pro matte gloss? But we've got some berry tones, so we'll try those today. First off, let's start off with some swatches of this palette. This is called 10 The Key Piece. Ooh, I didn't realize there was like a green in here. This is what it looks like inside. You've got some mattes, some shimmers. Looks like a nice combination, but no super deep colors other than this dark brown down here. Champagne, pinky gold color, regular gold, green. These are some of the metallics. They look all right so far. See how they swatch? That's pretty. Okay, they're swatching pretty well. Let me try a couple of the mattes now. So here's like the nudie shade, purple, and deep brown. So they look okay. They look like they'll give me something to work with. So let's jump right in and try these on the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to jump into this matte white shade and put that all over the eye. And I'm just gonna do one eye for the sake of saving time. Pretty dusty. Next, I'm going to take a crease brush, and the only real crease shades would be like this kind of light tan or this purple. I don't think I want to go quite this deep yet. Yes, I'll go into this light tan shade. Okay, so I have a very slight crease shade going. I think that I'm going to go in now with, I think I want to use these two as my liners. So I think I'm going to go into this kind of gold shade and put that on the lid. I'm going to use a little flat brush from Alamar Cosmetics. Then in the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this brighter gold. And then on the outer corner, I think I'm going to do a little bit of this brown and the burgundy kind of mixed together. And then for liner, I'm going to go in and use the dark brown shade. And then on the lower lash line, I think I'm just going to smudge a little bit of the berry shade. And then a little brown. So I'm going to finish up the other eye and I'll be back to show you the mascara and the lips. Okay, so the eye look is done. I'm going to use this shade right here to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone area. A really pretty iridescent white shade. Okay, inner corner is highlighted. Next up, we have the Katy Perry and Covergirl mascara. This is just in the shade black. I don't know anything about it. The packaging is cute, it's sleek, it's white, has a little cat on it. Ooh. I think the filter is broken on this one. I don't know about this. Like, you can see my wand is just covered in goop mascara. I don't think the thing that's supposed to sit on the inside to stop it from gunking, I guess, must have fallen in, because there's nothing is being removed from the wand. I don't think I can use this. So I had planned to try this. Scratch that. Let's try a different mascara. Okay, so since I can't try this mascara from the drugstore, we will try this one. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes Excess Mascara. It says intense maximized volume, no clumps, clean sweep wiping system, which is what I need because obviously this one doesn't have anything to remove anything and it's just a complete mess. So I had hoped to try this one, but sadly I cannot. So we'll give this one a try. Packaging's nice, it's kind of Christmassy, it's red and gold. All right, let's see. Much better. All right, so the wand is kind of like an hourglass, but it's got short spiky bristles. It kind of has like a old mascara smell, but I just opened it. Okay, that's one coat. It's fine. It gave me like wispy thin lashes. I prefer a bit more color, but perhaps I just didn't have the mascara wand fully coated the first time, so let's try a second time. Okay, now we're talking. That looks nice. Note to self, don't look up while your lashes are wet. All right, let's do the bottom lash line. Okay, so we are going to let this dry a little bit and then try a second coat because like I said the first time, I don't think the wand was fully coated. So let's try a second coat now. This may be my new favorite mascara. Aside from the mascara on my eyelid, look at this mascara. It looks really, really nice. I like that. I like that a lot. So this is with and this is without. You can really see the dramatic difference. I like this. All right, let me finish up the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so here are the lashes with 2 coats on both. I am really liking this. This is gonna give my Lancome Monsieur Big a run for its money. Definitely enjoying this one. So we'll see if it flakes off, smudges off during the day, but right now, I'm really liking this. And finally, we have the lips. We have these 3 shades from L'Oreal. I feel like I have a little bit more like reddish tone than purple, so I'm gonna go with this one. This is number 312 Rouge Envy. And I don't know what this is gonna feel like. I don't know if it's gonna dry down. It has like a tilted, pointed doe foot applicator. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's very easy to apply. With the pointed tip, you can kind of line and then fill in. It feels like a cross between the Stila Stay All Day lipsticks and the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. That's kind of what it feels like. So I'm gonna give it a couple minutes and see if it dries down. I mean, it says it's a Pro Matte Gloss. It doesn't really feel glossy. Feels more like a liquid lipstick right now. So let's give it a couple minutes and see what happens. Okay, so the lip product has been on for a couple minutes. It is not drying down matte, so it looks like it's a liquid lipstick that is just not a matte liquid lipstick. I don't believe it's transfer proof. Nope. So it is like a semi-shiny gloss. So it is not transfer proof. I wouldn't really say it's a liquid lipstick. I would just say it is a slightly less shiny lip gloss. Not really sure what the appeal of this product is. It doesn't have the staying power of a liquid lipstick. It doesn't have the shine of a gloss, so it's like a hybrid. Not something that I necessarily think that I need in my collection, so I would probably pass on these unless you're looking for a hybrid gloss / lipstick product. I don't know. For me, these, I just don't know what the appeal is of this specific product. So let's do the rundown of the things from the drugstore that I tried today. The Skin Booster Vitamin Shot from Physicians Formula, so far so good. I haven't had any immediate reaction to it. My skin doesn't look, I don't know. I mean, it's an anti-aging one, so I probably will see results over time. So far so good. Next, the Catrice Professional Artist Eyeshadow Palette. It did a nice job, but compared to some other shadow palettes I have, it's just all right in my books. But if you're looking for an affordable palette to kind of get started with shadow, this might be a nice one for you to start with. I personally would recommend this Maybelline City Mini palettes over this one, probably for a fairly similar price point. The L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes Excess. Pick it up if you see it. It's amazing. I think my lashes look fantastic today, so I'm definitely impressed with this one. And then the glosses, you already know my opinion on this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this try-on video of new products from the drugstore. I hope you did. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.